Now let's look again how Marts and Dana will dance quick-step silver routine with teaching count. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. And now same choreography, this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation step, then natural turn with hesitation, double reverse spin, followed by telemark and fishtail, then natural turn with hesitation, chasse reverse turn and reverse pivot, cross swivel, then forward check with extra slow, running finish, running right turn, which consists of natural turn, open natural turn and running finish, then natural turn back lock and a running finish, forward lock step, natural turn first 3 steps and V6, which is back lock, outside change and forward lock. And then natural turn with hesitation. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.